Nested if is having an if else statement another in another if else statement. So one statement is in another statement. This is called nesting. And with the right indentation, I can do nesting. So let us see one example. See, uh, here I ask the user to enter a number and I typecast it to a float number. And then I check if the number is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. So I want to print correctly if it is 0 or a positive number or a negative number. If the number is greater than or equal to 0, I inside the body of this if I have another statement. So if num equal to 0, if the number is 0, I print 0. Otherwise, I print it's a positive number. If the number is not greater than or equal to 0, I print it's a negative number. So if I run the program with 5 greater than equal to 0 condition is true. If num equal to 0 condition is false, it will come to this else part. It will print positive number and it will come out and print perform the next line.